Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Orbit. In this video, I will guide you how you can show your hidden drives from your computer. When you new install your Windows and you can see there is only one drive, that is C drive, and my other drives are hidden and not showing here. So in this video, I will guide you how you can show your hidden drives. First of all, you need to right click on this PC and go to manage, and here you can see disk management under storage. So click on disk management. Here is all the drives that are available in my computer system. You can see there is C drive and local disk. Windows did not assign any letter to local disk, so this is hidden drive. And you can see under this PC there is no other drive except C. Now I guide you how you can show this local disk in your computer. So first of all, you need to right click on this drive and click on change drive letter and paths, and here you can see assigning letter is D. You can change this letter as well. Now click on OK. So now we see this drive is available or not. Click on this PC and here you can see my local disk C and local disk D. This way you can show your hidden drives in your computer. If you find this video helpful for you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.